Loading coal, folks. Finally, the last 150 cars we're getting on here, and then we're out of here. Probably about 5 or 6 hours we'll be gone. When we originally got in, there was 150 cars. And we just got the other 150 this morning around 7 o'clock. And then we'll be on our way to Hamilton to unload this, and then we'll be back up to Two Harbors for two more loads for Nanticoke. And all I ask, guys, if you like it, please share it out and hit the subscribe button. And I hope you all have an amazing Thursday.